This video explores the logic behind the IB's 1 to 7 grading scale, a choice rooted in historical, cultural, and statistical necessity based on archives and assessment research from the 1970s through the 1990s. Why did the International Baccalaureate choose not to use A to F letter grades or percentages? The key question was how to create a grading system that works equally well in over 150 countries without favoring any single national tradition. The 1970s design challenge for the diploma program was global comparability. The marking scale had to function across different countries, language groups, and curriculum traditions. It needed to differentiate quality, but also allow for global moderation. The IB deliberately rejected letter grades to avoid cultural baggage. The AF scale was seen as US-centric. Also, the meaning of a C grade varies culturally. Finally, letter grades often implied norm referencing, comparing students against each other. To remain globally neutral, the IB needed to compromise between conflicting European traditions like the UK's letter grades, France's 0 to 20 scale, and Germany's inverted 1 to 6 scale. The 1 to 7 scale was distinct and mathematically simple. Research on psychometrics found that experienced examiners can reliably distinguish between roughly 6 to 8 levels of performance. The 1 to 7 scale falls within this reliable sweet spot, avoiding insufficient differentiation and artificial precision. The IB system is criterion referenced, not norm referenced. It relies on professional judgment against specific criteria, not a bell curve distribution of students. The 1 to 7 scale provides a stable framework to apply these criteria consistently. Grade boundaries are set based on item difficulty, candidate performance, and examiner judgment. The 7-point scale supports stable boundary setting, balancing flexibility with the rigor of maintaining standards over decades. The 1 to 7 scale serves as a universal currency for universities. This compact, numerical scale simplified recognition during the IB's early expansion, with standardized translations used by admissions officers worldwide. The 1 to 7 scale provides one identity across all programs, including the diploma program, middle years program, and theory of knowledge. It creates consistency across all subjects and enables digital moderation or e-marking. In summary, the IB uses a 1 to 7 grading scale because it is culturally neutral, statistically reliable, globally recognizable, and moderation-friendly for reporting standards-based achievement. These are the key references and historical sources that inform the development and rationale for this presentation on the possible origins of the IB's 1 to 7 grading scale. Thank you for listening through to the end of the presentation.